So, someone asked for some tips for self-care if you are an autism parent and you're trying to figure this whole thing out. So, my name is Dr. LaClista Arena. I'm a licensed therapist, but I'm also an autism mom. So, my 9-year-old son Jackson is autistic, and this is what I recommend, okay? So, first of all, you cannot spa this away, you cannot journal this away, you cannot meditate this away, but those are things you can incorporate. But you need to make sure your mind is right and you have a space. So therapy, I advocate for therapy. Therapy is a form of self-care. It takes a village. So I understand if you don't have help, but there are programs and services that may be able to offer respite care or, just opportunities for you to get a break, because that is important. You need time alone. And if you absolutely have no one right now, I encourage you to build community with people who understand. That's what I do. I build community of other autism moms, other autism parents, and I give my phone number out to those who need me, and just to have a space to talk. I'm not acting in the capacity of their therapist, even though I am a therapist, but I do encourage them to go to therapy. But I've texted with some moms. They'll tell you I've gotten on the phone and talked with them. I've walked them through certain situations because I get it and I understand. But yeah, community is so important. But I understand that's something that you may have to work to and build. Sometimes, even if you're married, you're a single parent, meaning that you're the primary one taking care of everything. Sometimes your family will turn their backs on you. Sometimes your friends. A lot of times people don't know what you need. So learning to ask for help, that is a form of self-care. So saying, yes, I do need help. I need a break. Can you watch my son for 30 minutes, an hour? Or, one thing that I like to do is I get up before everybody in the house, and that is my time to pray, to meditate, to reflect, to just have peace of mind, because I know as soon as my son wakes up, I'm in mommy mode, right? So therapy, make sure you're taking care of your mental health, making sure you have time, alone time. If it's just you and you're a single parent, get up earlier, or before you go to bed, make sure you have alone time. I know you're exhausted, but it's important. Community. So either building community or finding community. It takes a village, absolutely. I remember when I nearly had a nervous breakdown and my best friend came to my home and she told me just go lie down, and I was able to get a nap and she watched my son. But yeah, you can absolutely have a spa day, go out with the girls, you can get a massage, you can meditate, you can pray, you can journal. I encourage these things, but that is not enough. You need to figure out something that is sustainable. And those things usually aren't sustainable either, whether it's financial or lack of time, lack of resources, but you can incorporate those things into your day. But start filling you up. Don't lose your sense of self, because we often become, mommy or just mom role. But you are a person, you have an identity. What are things you like to do or used to like to do, want to explore? Get back to that. Get back to who you are. And I'm going to leave you with this. If someone asks you, who are you? How would you describe yourself without saying what you do or that you're somebody's mom? That question is hard for a lot of people. So I want you to think on that and reflect, and hopefully some of these tips help. If you have any additional questions, ask, and I